right after I finished the last video. Actually, I'm uploading it right now. I come out to look at these flowers and I see 3 pink ones right next to the yellow ones, and that was right after I mentioned that there's no pink around here. And I like it that they're actually on the same plant and everything. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Too bad they don't do a bright red like the rose, but this is fine. It's beautiful. And I don't know if you can see through the trees. Right about there's some wood structure. That's my outhouse. That's where the cabin's going, but right now I'm using it for an outhouse. During the hot summer months, you don't want that stuff fermenting inside the RV. Now that's what I use. And it's a crapper with the view. That's where I put my composting toilet. I put that there to keep the cows out. In that bucket is all the paper products. I even got a magazine in there. But it's a crapper with the view. When my pallet stood up, there's nothing left at the base of the pallet. The dung beetles keep taking everything away, and I mean every last scrap. There's nothing left by the time it's ready to empty another bucket. Yeah, Ruger and I watch out for each other when we're doing our business. He comes over and guards me, and if I'm out walking with him, I guard for him when he's doing his business. And as for guarding me, there's the water tank. There's the outhouse. And there's the other pole right there. When I was sitting there this morning, about where that pole is, about the same instant Ruger and I saw a coyote kind of wandering over this way. So Ruger took off and chased him about 100 yards away and then quit. But, I looked out my window and saw this. Hey puppy, how you doing? How you doing, puppy? Yeah. Are you a pretty puppy? Why those flies and gnats just, jeez. Yeah. Yeah, pretty puppy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Yeah. Just hanging out. I can't help you. They don't like me either. Or I should say they do like me. Alright. Howdy folks. This is going to be an unboxing video. This is part of a gift that I got from one of my subscribers, Au Prospector. Very generously got me an Amazon gift card and then let me choose what it is I wanted to get. And one of the things was a new video camera. And as you can tell by the quality of that one, why I wanted a new video camera. But this is the Kofun Cool. It's a night shot. It does full HD, 1920 1080, 24 megapixel picture, 16 zoom. Let's see. Looks like a USB to HDMI cable. Cool, I can plug into my TV. Manual. It's got a remote control for it. The battery charger, obviously. A USB to mini USB cable. It has a wide angle lens and I think they call it a macro lens, which let me have that backwards. Yep, those are 2 lenses that come with it. Cleaning cloth, audio jack, and a microphone with the windsock up. And here's the other battery. And 2 batteries for the microphone. And a cool nylon case, Velcroed. So it's going to be tight getting much else in here but the camera. I don't know what you can see. But they're having a lightning sale, not just a normal sale, but a lightning sale on Amazon. So I quick snatched it up. Again, thank you Au Prospector, Art. I know he says he's done with YouTube, but that's not the first time he said it. But hopefully this will be a nice addition to the ranch, so the videos that I make will come out much better and much clearer. It's supposed to also have image stabilization with it, which will be a major improvement. I know I've been needing that for a while. All right, out here at the propane tank. There's the regulator that Au Prospector got for me last year. But this year, with the gift card he got me, it was big enough to get the video camera I got. And this is the old hose that goes to the wall furnace I have in there. And he got me with the gift card, I got a splitter on Amazon. And I got, well, I had that fitting already. I got 1 more fitting to go into here. And a hose to go to another splitter underneath that the old propane hose on the RV went into to divvy it up between the stove, the refrigerator, and the furnace. But when I was crawling around under there a couple months ago, I happened to grab the propane line and it fell off it came off right in my hand. So that's where the leak was coming from. So I've known I needed this for a while. I just couldn't afford it, and it was going to be this winter before I needed it. And now that the Au Prospector got me the gift card, like I said, I got the hose, 2 fittings, 1 here and 1 underneath the RV to plug into that splitter. It's actually a nanofold, but whatever. And then this. And I needed that too, so it's actually got 3 fittings, that and the hose. So again, thank you Au Prospector. I'm not dreading winter so much. I still don't want it to show up, but I don't have a lot of choice in that. Yep, it's laundry day. So that's what I'm doing. Got the sheets hanging up there, but I just wanted to show you the guard dog. The only stipulation that Au Prospector put on the gift card was that I had to get stuff for Ruger. He loves these bones, so I got him another 3-pack just like I got him last year. And then last year I got him one of these rawhide things, and he loved it so much I got him a 4-pack. And then he also, the gnats have been just driving him crazy, and I heard that lemon essential oil repels them. Well, kinda. He doesn't really like it, so he doesn't keep it on long enough.